An interview about job career. And you? My name is Malames Hehu Tailor, Ungur Yuku Motor Park behind. Sheriff Pure Water, Taro. We are here for an interview about job career. Q. Please can you tell us about your family background? And my parents hail from Bauchi State. My father came Kono for trading. Once upon a time in Kono, when Bank of the Northern was yet, there was a groundnuts pyramid. That was my father's trade to bring groundnuts from Bauchi to Kono. That is where my father decided to migrate to Kono. I was born hearing and became DAF at 7 months. Q. Can you tell us about your job or career? And the no, one of my job is tailoring. I received clients from different states, including Kaduna and Bauchi states. I had about 10 employees. Q. Apart from tailoring, why are you repairing sewing machine? Wait, Jira. That time when my business going well, I got married to first wife. In 5 years later, I added to second to ND wife. And then after 10 years, I am third 3DD wife. As life goes on, I have 18 children alive today. Q. Then how do you completely became sewing machine repairer from tailoring? And when I was tailoring, I used to do little self-repairing. However, if the repairs are bigger and I am totally busy, I used to take it to repairers. By the time my tailoring business start collapsing, I have 10 sewing machine and it reduced to 3. I had no other choice but to take alternative and start repairing sewing machine. Q. How do you communicate with your colleagues or clients at work? And some clients understand my communications using gesture signs. Other clients that find it difficult to communicate with me, then my son, who is a hearing person, interpreter for us. Q. What challenges do you face as a deaf person in the workplace, and how do you address them? And some clients bring me repair after I told them the actual price. They always bargain. I told them that the price hike is not from me, but from inflation going on in the country. And then they agreed. After repairing, I gave them 7 days to test if there are any mistakes, then return it. However, they failed to return after 7 days. After 10 days or 2 weeks, they returned with complaints. I patiently re-repair for them. Q. How do you think employers can make workplace more accessible and inclusive for DEAF employers? And at my workplace, there are my children, whom are hearing and other DEAF employees are used to train, teach them all together. Q. Have you ever had to educate your employers or co-workers about Hausa Sign Language HSL? And yes, as Oga, at my workplace, I have many employees. And there was an occasion when a family brought their son to me to teach. The son complained, how can DEAF person teach him when he done no sign language? His family told him not to worry, with time he will learn. He obeyed and started learning. I used to send him to buy me sewing items like needle and others in gesture sign. In a short time, he hit 2 birds with 1 stone. He mastered sewing and Hausa Sign Language. At the end, I donate him new sewing machine. He took it to his village and opened his own new tailoring center. Q. Can you give us some Hausa Sign Language HSL of sewing tools? Needle dinky. Almakashi. Bobon case. Thanks for your time.